Hey guys, how's it going? Jason Sweet here. Today I want to talk to you about the cool digital program that I'm definitely a part of, and it's called the Legacy Builder program. And I'm gonna share with you just the back end, what you get when you actually upgrade and join us here and the growth community with Legacy Builder. So here you see right here, this is the products you get. These are digital products. You have access to these products on the actual platform itself. And I'm going to actually each program here. I'm also going to show you our success group and this community is actually building. It's about 21,000 people so far that are in this community, people that are making money from online from home. So this right here, people just posting, far as, here's somewhere here, 37,000 for the month of May. It's their first $100 win. There are a lot of people that are using this digital product, $100,000 a day when you join Legacy Builder. But let me show you what's in the actual what you get in the community. So we can go to Legacy Builder program real quick here, and I'm going to show you what you get in this product here. In this product, give you a breakdown how to set up your own automated funnel system with System.io. You get a welcome. It tells you how to log into Kajabi, how to find products, navigation, what's passive income, the community, the resale rights, basically how you set up your own funnel system. And I'm going to show you what the funnel looks like. When you actually go to the website here in the description, which is yourincomeblueprint.com, you're going to get the same exact funnel for free. And when all your prospects go to this funnel, they're going to basically put in their email address, log in, and take the tour and explain more about the growth community. Wait for that to load, and that's a little slow. But this is actually the site here when it comes up. And you're going to basically put in your email right here, and it'll take you through the funnel and explain how you get access to this awesome products in this community. Now there are 4 levels you can choose to come in at. The $100, $300, $600, or $900 level, which is a Legacy Builder. And once you set up this funnel, it's set and forget it basically. This is the Legacy Builder program here. And I'm going to show you, this is the actual community that people kind of communicate and share with their success. They made first 900 ding, and all is connected to your payment process. So go ahead and click the link in the description, and I'm going to share more in the next video. Take care.